Hi! Magandang buhay! We're here at Vermira Baikilan, kilometer 89 ng Lipa Alaminos Road, Barangay Talisay, Lipa City, Batangas. A short video for our model houses. We have here Mireo, our single attached unit, then Mirella, our townhouse unit, and of course ang ating napakagandang Mira na single attached unit. Ayan. So come and visit us, and it's Christmas time. Mas maganda kung wala pa kayong regalo sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay, a reservation here at Vermira ay napakagandang regalo na po. Ayan, yan po muna sa ngayon. Maraming salamat and God bless everyone.